This is the tiled entryway of the home, and to your right you have your first two guest bedrooms, and these do have walk-in closets. The entire house has the blinds already installed, so you have window coverings, which saves you quite a bit on those first-time move-in expenses. And then this is the first guest bathroom. Linen closets, and then right to the side here is your laundry room, and then over here you do have a flex space or a formal dining room, and then over here to the left is another guest bedroom and another half bath. So in here you have your pedestal sink and toilet for guests. And then it also offers a very large living area here, and the slider goes out onto your back patio. You have a spot here for an additional dining room table. And then this kitchen here has been upgraded with the white 42-inch cabinets. As you can see, there's a subway tile backsplash. The appliances here that you see are included, and then it has granite counters. What I love most about this is this giant island here that you could use also as like a breakfast bar with some stools. And then there is a very nice sized pantry here. And to the side over here is your master suite, which is separate from all the additional guest bedrooms, and your master bath, which has also been upgraded with this really nice tile. You have your stand-in shower, your dual sinks, as well as your very generous and spacious master closet. So if you have any interest in a property like this one is move-in ready. It's a 30-day or sooner closing, and it is priced at $325, and we can get you in this with little to no money down, utilizing down payment assistance, or with $5,000 closing costs assistance from the preferred lender.